Hello mga mami ko at mga kineso. Alam nyo ba, luxury bags like this aren't just accessories. They're investment pieces na pwede pang tumaas ang halaga paglipas ng panahon. You know what I'm saying? Here's what we're offering. First is the Chanel Citizen Chic Flap. 170,000 lang to. Super sikat ngayon at maraming mga celebrities at collectors ang fan. And next on the list is the Hermes Rulis. This is 248,000 pesos. Look at that. Sobrang ready to sa store. Kaya i-grab mo na habang meron. And next is the Celine Micro Belt Bag. 75,000 to. Practical yet classy. Perfect for everyday use. And then one of my favorite Dior. This is the Caro. Medium size. This is 155,000 pesos. Elegant look na bagay sa kahit anong outfit. And then last but not the least, this is the Lady Dior Metallic Blue. 145,000 lang to. Very unique na shade. Head turner talaga. You know what I'm saying? Marami na kaming mga happy clients din na naka-avail. Sabi nila, sulit yung bawat peso dahil sa top-tier quality at timeless design that we offer. Message us right now to lock in your favorite piece. Stocks are limited. Huwag mong hayaang makuha ng iba.